Kenosha? I don't even know. Oh, this is some party. Looks like this used to be an old elevator. Oh, maybe it still is. I hear a bell. Here it is. Thought I heard a bell. Oh, this thing just got modded recently. Oh, never mind. You can't go to bed. Some wedding reception. Pretty basic elevator here. Nothing too special, honestly.